एंड स्टूडेंट्स वेलकम बैक टू योर फूड प्रोडक्शन क्लास। स्टूडेंट्स, हमने अपने प्रीवियस क्लास में चैप्टर नंबर 4 स्टार्ट किया था, दैट इज़ सूप। नाउ वी विल कंटिन्यू विद द सूप्स। तो हमने देखा सूप्स क्या होते हैं, ठीक है, उनके बेनिफिट्स क्या होते हैं। नाउ इन दिस क्लास वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ सूप्स। सो सूप्स आर डिपेंड ऑन देयर कंसिस्टेंसी. Depending on the consistency of a soup, there may be thin or thick soup. Thin soups have a consistency of a water or little thicker because of the starch ingredient present in soup. On the other hand, thick soups are thickened purposely by adding starch in some form. जो थिक सूप होते हैं उसमें हम अलग से एडिशनली स्टार्च को मिला करके उसको थिक करते हैं. It is interesting to note that not all soups are served hot. सारे ही सूप को हम गरम गरम सर्व नहीं करते हैं, कुछ सूप ठंडे भी सर्व किए जाते हैं, लाइक जेलेट कंजम, गैस्पाचो, सरकी from India and many more that are served cold and are a refreshing treat in extreme summer, जो कि गर्मियों के टाइम पर सर्व किए जाते हैं for refreshing. Now soups are divided into 4 parts: clear soup, thick soup, cold soup and international soups. Clear soup is again divided into 2 parts, that is broth and consumes. Thick soup is divided into 5 parts: puree, velouté, cream, whiskey and chowder. So let's see their classifications कि वो उन्हें क्या होता है. Thin soups, a clear soup जिसे हम कंजम भी कहते हैं. These soups are also known by the French name कंजम. These are prepared by cooking leftover bones and vegetables to prepare a thin liquid stock and then clearing the stock with the help of a meat and eggs. They are transparent when poured in soup bowls, light and very nutritious with a strong meaty flavor. Broth. These are simple, thin soups that can be prepared with meat, vegetables or both. They are wholesome, nutritious and usually have small pieces of meat or vegetables or both in it along with the cooking liquid. Broth जिसे हमने बताया था, that is also known as शोरबा. Now the thick soup. These soups are opaque and consistency is thicker. This is because usually there is an add-on thickening in the form of a starch ingredient that is added in little quantities to thicken it. The first one is cream soup. इसके अंदर हम मिल्क और क्रीम का यूज़ करते हैं. So these soups are made of chicken, meat or any vegetable and are known by the same name. Example: cream of chicken, cream of cauliflower, cream of peas, etc. Thus the soup takes the color and taste of the main ingredients, even though there might be other ingredients in small quantities. Milk or cream is always added, as I told you earlier also. इसमें मिल्क और क्रीम ज़रूर ऐड किया जाता है. इसके अंदर जो फ्लेवर आता है वो इसके मेन इंग्रेडिएंट का जो टेस्ट और कलर होगा. जैसे मैंने मटर ली बनाने के लिए सूप को, तो उसका कलर, उसमें टेस्ट उसका मिलेगा, बट उसमें हम कुछ और इंग्रेडिएंट्स भी ऐड कर सकते हैं अपने टेस्ट के हिसाब से, और मिल्क और क्रीम ज़रूर ऐड होती है. प्योरी सूप्स. दीज सूप्स आर मेड ऑफ ड्राई लिग्मस और फ्रेश स्टार्ची वेजिटेबल्स. Hence, once cooked and pureed, the starch from the main ingredient itself thickens the soup. यानी कि फलियों का या फिर उन सब्जियों का हम सूप बना सकते हैं जिसमें स्टार्च हो, तो ये ऑलरेडी अपने आप सूप को थिक कर देती हैं. दे मे और मे नॉट कंटेन लिटिल क्रीम. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम इसमें क्रीम डालें, वो हमारे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. इसके एग्जाम्पल हैं प्योरी ऑफ पोटैटोज, प्योरी ऑफ लेंटिल्स, प्योरी ऑफ pumpkin. Basic. It is a shellfish. शेल जो शेलफिश होती है, शेलफिश बेस्ड सूप. शेलफिश नहीं कह रही हूँ, fish based soup which is passed and may be garnished with dices of the seafood used. Traditionally, it is thickened with rice and finished with cream, for example, lobster bisque. So these are the soups which is prepared from the seafoods. Velveto soup. These are made with the meat or vegetable stock thickened with flour, cooked to a light brown color. A mixture of egg yolk and cream is added to it. So example is chicken velveto, asparagus and tarragon velveto. Now chowdars. Chowdars are not strained and traditionally they are seafood based soups thickened with potatoes and finished with cream or milk. Clam chowdar, seafood chowdar, etc. Chowdars are made chowdars are from the USA and the most classical version comes from the Manhattan and hence the name Manhattan chowdar. Now international soups. These again do not form a separate classification as they represent the region of origin. For example, green turtle soup from England, French onion soup from France and mulligatawny from India. So some popular examples are as follows. Now, mulligatawny from India, their soup consists of a broth from chicken and lamb. यानी कि मैंने आपको बताया था जिसे हम शोरबा बोलते हैं, यानी कि चिकन और लैम्ब के पीसेस को हम पानी में बॉईल करते हैं, दैट इज़ उसके साथ हम कुछ फ्राइड अनियंस, स्पाइसेस, करी पाउडर वगैरह मिला करके बनाते हैं. कई बार इसमें हम सब्जियां, नट्स, एप्पल, राइस भी ऐड करते हैं. सो दैट इज़ अ mulligatawny soup that is from India. French onion soup, which is from France, it is a type of soup usually based on meat stock and onion and often served gratinated with croutons and cheese on top. Minestrone, yani ki that is from Italy. Minestrone is a thick soup made with vegetables, often with the addition of pasta or rice. Common ingredients includes beans, onions, celery, carrot, stock and tomatoes. So these are the different types of soup, international different types of soups. Now cold soup. जैसा कि नाम ही बता रहा है कि ये गरम सर्व नहीं किया जाता है, कोल्ड सर्व किया जाता है, ठंडा. Chilling would dull the flavor and the soup would taste bland. They do not form a separate classification as they may again be thickened or thick, passed or unpassed. Example of cold soups include jellied consumption, gazpacho, viziacho, etc. So here I have shown a picture of a cold cucumber soup which is very refreshing. और ये सूप ज़्यादातर हम लोग जब बहुत गर्मी होती है तब सर्व करते हैं. सो दे प्रोवाइड अ रिफ्रेशनेस. ये हमें फ्रेश करते हैं अंदर से और ये हमें अच्छा फील भी कराते हैं. नाउ आई हैव शेयर्ड फ्यू रेसिपीज़ विद यू. दीज आर द क्रीम ऑफ वेजिटेबल सूप्स, हाउ टू कुक, देन स्वीट कॉर्न सूप, टमाटर का शोरबा. So these are the few recipes which I have shared with you. Now soup, अब एक बार हम इसे रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. तो soups are a liquid food made with vegetables or meat and flavored with herbs and spices. They are healthy start to a meal as they are light, easily digestible and full of nutrients. Soups can be classified as a thick or thin soups. Apart from this, there are international soups that are identified by the place of their origin. कि वो कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट हो रहे हैं, किस रीजन के हैं. Even though most soups are served hot, there are many popular soups that are served cold, as gazpacho, that is a famous cold soup. So now today's our topic soup is completed. I think your topic is clear. If you have any query, you can ask me. Till now, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, class.